going through the solution for the 7 Sterne. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The main goal of this puzzle is to fit all of these weird pieces into the frame so that we get 7 stars. This is one of those puzzles that you put it in the frame and it's kind of hard to tell one piece from another because they've kind of put all these groove patterns in it. Also, the name 7 Sterne is 7 star in German. I probably butchered the German, but that's okay. So to start with, we will put our first piece in the frame. Our next piece will be this one. And we will put it in like so. I think we'll put it in like so. Yeah, we'll put it in like so. After that, we will put this piece in. And so this is what I mean by a star. We kind of have the outline of a star there. So continuing on, we'll put this piece in next. At least attempt to put that piece in. Got butterfingers today. Where is that? There it is. This will be our next piece. And we'll finish off the outside frame with this longer piece here. Okay, 2 more pieces left. So we'll drop this one in right here. And then the compressor pops on. We will put this piece right here. Perfect. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.